This video explains you how to sort columns in YouTrader. Using sorting you can quickly find gainers and losers in just fraction of seconds, so let's get started. Open YouTrader. And then click Change %. Now you can see the Change % column sorted in descending order, that means today's gainer moved on top in list. Now again click the Change % column. Now this time column sorted by ascending order, that mean losers in today's market sessions are moved on top of the list. Watch the next video and see how I can play with sorting with different columns.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.